Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Microsoft Edge browser. If you are facing any type of problem or errors, so you can try this method to resolve these Microsoft related common problems. So open settings, then click on apps. Now here click on installed apps and here guys you have to search Edge. This one, click on these three dots and modify. And click on repair. Now wait for a few seconds till this downloading and reinstalling process will be complete. And once this is complete, just guys you have to restart your system. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not. And this is the method guys, you can reset and you can fix all Microsoft Edge problems. Thanks for watching. Comment on this method work for you or not.